What if I told you lust isn't just a feeling, it's a brain hijack? When lust hits, your brain chemistry completely changes, and suddenly, logic takes a back seat. Let's break down what lust actually does to your brain. First, when you see someone you're intensely attracted to, your brain releases dopamine, the reward chemical. This surge makes you crave more of that person's attention, touch, or presence, just like a powerful drug. That's why lust feels addictive. It literally rewires your motivation system. Next comes testosterone and estrogen, which crank up desire and physical drive. These hormones flood your brain, heightening your senses, sharpening your focus, and making you see that person as more appealing than anyone else in the room. But here's where it gets interesting. Lust also shuts down the prefrontal cortex, a part of your brain responsible for rational decision-making. This is why people make reckless choices in the heat of passion. Your brain isn't weighing consequences. It's locked on one thing: pursuit. Meanwhile, the amygdala, the emotional center, goes into overdrive. Lust amplifies intensity. Your heart beats faster, your pupils dilate, and your body reacts as if it's in survival mode. The brain doesn't distinguish between physical survival and reproductive drive. It treats both as urgent. But lust is short-lived. Neuroscience shows that while lust burns hot, it fades unless it evolves into something deeper, like attachment. That's where oxytocin and vasopressin kick in, creating bonds and emotional closeness. Without that transition, lust leaves the brain craving a new fix. So what does lust do to your brain? It excites it, hijacks it, and drives you to chase desire at all costs. It's powerful, intoxicating, and often dangerous, but it's also part of what makes human connection so thrilling.